Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Hazel from Handcrafted Expressions. Today, as a design team member for the Robin Nest Creative, I will be designing this canvas, that is the Cactus Creative Dewdrop canvas from the Robin Nest Creative website. I will be using fabulous colors of the dewdrops to design it, and these are the brush pens which I will use to color my canvas. Let us begin. Here I will be taking the green brush pens to color the cactus. Here I am just blending the colors with a dry brush. Now I am using some acrylic black color to just give splatters over the canvas. Here we are done with the canvas. I hope you liked it. Do visit the Robin Nest website for the lovely dewdrop and the canvas. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.